another.
You guys made a move with Item 9 Labs, which gives you what's known as vertical integration, which I am very excited about because when you're talking about this experience of going from one location to the next location and having this same experience, this really is a driver for that. So, can you talk about that acquisition and the power of vertical integration?
Yeah, so the merger of these two worlds, Item 9 Labs and Unity Road, is incredible and one that I'm really excited about. And so what we've done is partner with a group out of Phoenix, Arizona, that are just superheroes when it comes to actual product and cultivation. And so everything that we know about dispensaries and how to navigate vendor relationships and supply chain and all of that is great. But that consistency that you talked about with the product is not just consistently, but consistently the best product on the market. That's Item 9. Those guys are doing unbelievable things that are really pioneering in their niches of the industry. So together, it's this really extraordinary group of folks with all of that depth of bench we talked about earlier that understand not only how to grow it, how to process it, but when you can't cross state lines, that relationship for how you navigate those vendors and how you set up those relationships. And not only do we have Item 9 products in our stores, but we have other vendors as well, right? And so being able to control that whole piece and have expertise in how you set up those relationships is going to be key to our franchisee success.